Coming back to the debt and the banks, just referring to Greece, that the four systemic banks undertook a massive recapitalization in the spring of this year. They are currently running the stress test required by the ECB, and it's expected that there is going to be activity following that. Now, what this activity means is that a lot of the assets that perhaps some of them Jason talked about, they will be coming more openly to the market. And I'm not suggesting here that everybody shall rush into the Greek market to invest, but what I'm saying is the dynamics are better than they used to be, let alone the macroeconomics that they appear to be improving. There's been a substantial activity in the hotel and resort sector. We have been seeing a lot of activity. There was a stunning record number of visitors a year, 20 million, which accounts for nearly double or at least 40% more than previous years. And there have been big names now chasing assets, some American names, and so on and so forth. So what I'm trying to say, without being biased about the Greek market, is that it's a small, inherently small market. It appears to things to be improving, and of course, with all the caution is due, there might be some things to look at in the months ahead.
Yeah, I think you could buy Greek, I don't know where you could buy Greek bonds, but at one point you could buy them at 50% yields, something, 30% yields.
Gone substantially lower.
They've come screaming in. So if you've been on the bond trade, you've made a lot of money, and then bond investors think, right, what's the next thing that looks like a bond? It could be real estate. So they then look for that same trade. That won't be the same vol and dynamics in terms of the liquidity, but there will be some American bond investors who made money in Greece who now think they'll make money in Greek real estate.
That have been investing in the Greek REITs, for example. Yeah. One of the Greek REITs took a massive change in ownership from a Canadian investor, getting that they bought a big chunk of it and they control them now. And therefore we've seen this change.